Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Today I'm going to bring something to you that I think is going to actually make your lives better. Okay, our friends over at iCrimp, which is a division of IWC Tools, have sent us some tools that are pretty slick. And actually this one tool takes the place of 3 of the tools that we have in the garage, which is also incredible because it's always a challenge when you're working on cars doing electrical and stuff. We're always up under a dash. We are in a place, odds are that you get one shot at a crimp, right? Because the wire's either just not long enough or whatever. And you need to get it right the first time. And so here's what they sent us. These here, I'm gonna read this, okay? These are the IWC-1424AB, okay? That's the part number. IWC-1424AB, okay? These are the AWG24-14 gauge wire crimpers for weather pack terminals, open barrel terminals, and stamped contacts. They're wire strippers and cutters, okay? So what that means is this tool crimps, strips, and cuts. Does all of it, one tool. Now, I can't stress this to you guys enough. The quality of this is insane, okay? This has some serious weight to it, okay? Like, you're gonna know it if you drop it on your foot, right? Like, this is legit. It's not so heavy you can't use it, but it's got some weight. It's not cheap. This tool, the operation of this is so smooth. I mean, it's just, this is just me, you know, 2 fingers. You know, it's fantastic, and it's got that ratcheting motion and springs back. I mean, it's really good. Now this I have been doing crimps on for the past week, just playing around with it, okay? Just random spare wire, just seeing what I could do with it. This thing's gonna be a game changer for us. So, and on top of that, it's not that expensive. It's not that expensive. I think it's only like $22.99 or something. It's not that expensive. And when I show you what this replaces and we go over that, you're gonna look at me and go, well, why don't I just buy this? Because this is exactly what you need. So this tool replaces, this is what we do to do what this does in one shot. You got the dikes for cutting the wires. It's one tool. You got the crimpers, okay? Another tool. And look at these things. Yeah, I mean, come on. And then you got the wire strippers, okay? Now I got this from a car show. This actually does work pretty good, but it was like $25. This tool right here costs more than this one. Just this one, okay? And this one actually does it better. This is decent. This does it better. Now, if you look at this, $25. For a good set of crimpers, you're probably talking 10, 15 bucks. Okay, so let's just call it 10 bucks. Right, so that's $35. And then for a good set of cutters these days, you're around 10 bucks. So there you go. You got $45 worth of tools. $22.99. I mean, come on. And this is better. So, something to think about. Now, they also sent us the ratcheting version of this, okay? And I'm gonna read this to you too, so give me a second. So, I'm on phone. This is the, spin this around here. This here is the ICP-338. It's for AWG-22-10 gauge, okay? Now this is a wire stripper and cutter and crimper toolkit that also came in a little case, and I'll show you that in a second, with insulated terminals, cable ties, and banding wire, okay? Now that kit, it's right here. It's got all the different things, and this goes in the middle of it, okay? This, look at that. Friggin' awesome. So, crimps, cuts, right? Strips with ratcheting motion. I believe this is also, let me verify that. This is also $22.99 for that whole kit. Again, replaces all of this. It's kind of a no-brainer, guys. Something we are going to do. I do need to actually use them on something. I'm going to show you that. So we have a 1973 Volkswagen thing, okay? The fuel gauge wire, there's a wire that goes from the fuel gauge to the fuel sending unit on the gas tank. It's got a little end on it, okay? That end broke off. Just old and broke off. We're going to cut that off, we're going to strip it, we're going to crimp it, we're going to put a new end on, okay? And we'll bring all that to you and show you how these work. Alright guys, so this is our 1973 Volkswagen thing. We're going to show you, it's going to be kind of our test vehicle. We're going to show you how to use these crimpers on this car. Let's open it up. Okay guys, so here we are under the hood of our 1973 Volkswagen thing, or frunk as you might call it, because the engine's in the back. So what you got, the gas tank's right here, okay? And this wire right here, it goes from the fuel gauge to the sending unit, all right? And what happened is over time this end broke off here, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off, we're going to strip it back, and we're going to crimp on a new end. We're going to use the iCrimp tool, and we're going to go through and show you how that works and get this done. Okay guys, so we've got our crimper tool here, okay? We're going to strip, we're going to cut, and we're going to crimp with this one right here, okay? This is the IWC-1424AB Alpha Bravo. We've got our new connector we're going to put on. And we're just going to do it. Nothing left to do but to do it. So what we're going to do, here's the cutter section of this. We're going to put this wire in here. And we're going to get as close as we can. Cut it off. See how easy that cut that? It's ridiculous. Alright, we're going to pull this back a little bit. So we got something to work with. It's got a cover on it, that's a pain. We're going to strip it. I didn't do it enough, of course. Strip it. We'll put our new end on, like so. And we're going to go, what's this one? Like that. Make sure I have this orientated right. Alright guys, so went ahead and got the crimp on, got the wire on. This thing works amazing. Wanted to show you another one here. I did a crimp on it. It turned out fantastic. This is just a little test wire. So if you were going to do this, say you want to cut this, right? You would just, boop, cuts real easy. Let me find my gauge here. So you want to strip this to, boom, stripped. And then, say you want to put a blue end on it. Push that in. Boom. That ain't coming off. It's that easy. I did all that with one tool. It's so much better.